Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to create your own textured pattern brush in the app IBIS Paint X. To create that, click on this plus and scroll down. You will have so many options and at last you can find brush pattern. So click on that. Here is where we have to create our normal brush or pattern brush, water brush if you want to create on your own. So click here, and here I'm going to use felt tip pen hard. So you can try different brushes, but I'm okay with that. And here choose textured pattern in the type, and in size go for a bigger one, so 1024 cross 1024, and click on this OK. So this is the actual pattern of our felt tip pen hard brush. As we know, felt tip pen hard one is a solid brush, so for that the pattern will be just a blank black color. So click on this layer and clear using the clear layer option, and now click on this import image option and choose the texture that you have. If you don't have, you can try raw pixel or unsplash, or there are many websites that you can find free textures. You can download that and import here. So here I can choose this. So here I'm going to use this wooden texture. So there is a gap, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that it will cover the entire canvas of this brush pattern, and click on this OK. Click on cancel. So here you can see this is the wooden texture PNG image. So I have to add some details to make it as a pattern. If you use as it is, it will not work that good. So what I'm going to do is go to filters and go to this adjust color, and here there are so many different options. Here you can try this or this. I'm using find edge filter. If you adjust, you can see there is lines visible. So why I'm going to use these filters is because if you use the PNG image as it is, it will not get full texture on that brush. So to get the texture, and this is going to be black and white, so this will not be in a colored one. So just use this find edge filter to make the details visible. Adjust the parameters like this. You can increase the amount of lines using that, and click on this tick. Now we got the details of that PNG. So this is going to act as the pattern for us. So here you can see there is a white background detail in this. So I'm going to remove that. Click on beyond that layer and click this three dot, and here you can find clear white, or either you can choose color or clear white grayscale. In either way, it will clear out the white color. So now we got transparent details. So this pattern works only on the transparent details, and you can see, go to test drawing, and this is how my brush looks like. It doesn't look that much good. To edit, click on this brush detail, and here we have the felt tip and hard brush that we have chosen. Now go to settings and rename the brush. So here I'm going to save this as wooden texture and click on this OK. Now you can see the name changed to wooden texture. Now go to type. Here is where the the texture details will be available. At the texture, you can see the pattern that we have chosen. Now change the opacity of that texture. Now I changed the opacity, increased to a maximum, and this is how it looks. You can also vary the parameters like scale and make it smaller or make it bigger. In both cases, it gives different appearance. When we make the scale size bigger, it looks like this, and if you keep that in a minimum range, it looks like this. So I want this one, the last one, because it looks good. So I like this one. And you can also try changing the angle of the brush. So if you want a vertical wooden texture, you can change the angle to here. You can see, just make it 100 90 percentage or 0 or 180. You can try those things. And here you can see using single pattern I got all these details. Whichever pattern you want you can use that. So I'm going to take the screenshot of this. So we got this, and now I'm going to show you how we can apply this texture. So to save this brush, click on this arrow mark and choose back to my gallery. Don't do any other thing, don't save anything, just click on that and it will be loading. Be patient and click on this OK. Except this, don't click anywhere, and click on this OK again to add custom brush. Now we got the brush. Now create a normal canvas like this, and here whatever brush I have created at last will be visible and active in the brush. Here this is how it looks. You can see it looks really well good, gives a good wooden texture, smooth, and it's like almost created by the IBIS Paint X, but it is created by us. So if you want to create a realistic wooden texture, then just choose the background in something like a brown color like this. Create a new layer, and you can either use multiply blending mode or linear blending mode, and I'm going to use the same brown color which I used for the background. Now you can see, wow, really beautiful, and the texture is awesome, realistic. So yeah, we got the wooden background for your artwork. If you want to try this, try and tell me in the comments below what are the kind of brush you want to make. Also subscribe to my channel, check all other my videos, and you'll get so many information. And like this video, share with your friends, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.